Greetings, researchers and knowledge enthusiasts. Welcome back to EdBhoomi, the hub of education. And today, we embark on a crucial exploration for those navigating the intricate world of academic research. You would have often come to a dead end while trying to access and bypass the paywall for various articles on Sci-Hub. You would also have wished for other alternatives for Sci-Hub. While Sci-Hub has been a cornerstone, recent challenges in various regions have prompted the need to explore the much-needed alternatives. In this video, we'll be delving into 5 potent substitutes to Sci-Hub, avenues that not only grant ethical access to scholarly articles, but also empower researchers in new ways. Let's commence our in-depth exploration. Our first contender, Paywall, is not merely a repository, but a dynamic gateway into the world of scholarly articles. Boasting over 47 million freely accessible pieces, Unpaywall transcends the traditional boundaries of research accessibility. Its foundation as a nexus for content from over 50,000 publishers and repositories position it as a versatile and comprehensive resource. Whether you're seeking the latest breakthroughs or driving into foundational research, Unpaywall offers a seamless pathway to a rich tapestry of knowledge. It is a simple web browser, again best suited for Google Chrome, but works with all major browsers. All you have to do is download and activate the extension as shown on the screen. Next time you face a paywall, simple click of the extension pop-up will unlock the article for you. Let's navigate this expansive repository together and cover the intricacies that make Unpaywall an invaluable asset to the global research community. Moving on to our next alternative, another browser extension, but with extensive UI design called as Paperpad. We step into the realm of simplicity and efficiency in research discovery. The charm of this browser plugin lies in its ability to streamline the often labyrinthine quest for paywalled papers. With a mere click on the inconspicuous panda icon in your toolbar, PaperPanda becomes your digital assistant in research, effortlessly traversing the internet to retrieve the elusive papers you seek. As we unleash the panda, let's explore how this clever plugin transforms the way researchers discover and access academic content. As the screen suggests, you can access millions of research papers, and it is just a simple Chrome extension available for free on the Chrome Web Store. You can also use this with other browsers, but Chrome Web Store is suitable. How this extension sets apart from itself and Unpaywall is extensive UI research and design that is available for this plugin. Moving on to the next alternative, a resource that despite its controversies and legal scrutiny remains a significant repository for those seeking a diverse array of academic materials. Library Genesis or LibGen is a file-sharing based shadow library website for scholarly journal articles, academic and general interest books, images, comics, audiobooks, and magazines. The site enables free access to content that is otherwise paywalled or not digitized elsewhere. LibGen describes itself as a links aggregator, providing a searchable database of items collected from publicly available public internet resources, as well as files uploaded from the users. So Library Genesis is not only restricted to scientific articles, but any book or magazine that has been registered with the ISBN can be accessed through the Library Genesis. LibGen provides access to copyright works such as PDFs of content from Elsevier Science Direct web portal. Publishers like Elsevier have accused Library Genesis of internet piracy, but there have been various ethical concerns in the ethical code. Others assert the academic publishers unfairly benefit from government-funded research as the alternative argument, written by researchers, many of whom are employed by public universities that also cater to the open access journals. LibGen is helping to disseminate research that should be freely available in the first place. Moving on to the next alternative, a browser extension called as Open Access Button not only breaks down paywalls but also empowers researchers to actively participate in the process. Beyond offering access to free legal research articles, the Open Access Button introduces a novel concept, the ability to request paywalled papers. It's more than a tool, it's a catalyst for change in the landscape of academic accessibility and ethics. Join us as we explore this innovative feature and functionalities, making Open Access Button a transformative addition to the researcher's toolkit. You can enter all articles, URL, DOI, PMID, PMIC IDs, or citations to get the articles that you need. Moving on to the last part of this resource list, we encounter academia.edu, a digital haven for scholars seeking a global platform to share and access academic knowledge. Academia.edu is a for-profit open repository of academic articles free to read by visitors. Uploading and downloading is restricted to registered users. Additional features are accessible only as a paid subscription. Since 2016, various social networking utilities have also been added. The site was registered in the .edu, which is a top-level domain in 1999, when that domain was not limited to educational institutions. It is operated as a for-profit company under the name Academia Incorporated. Since the launch of the site in 2008, the number of users have grown rapidly, reaching about 10 million daily visits in the early 2022. At current time, the numbers of the registered users were around 180 million and 40 million papers are readily available on the site. As we conclude our comprehensive exploration, we have unveiled 5 alternatives to Sci-Hub, each offering a unique approach to accessing scholarly articles responsibly. It's not merely about breaking down paywalls, but redefining how researchers engage with and contribute to the global pool of knowledge. Your journey through the landscape of academic research, always remember the importance of respecting copyright laws and using these resources ethically. Each alternative brings distinctive strengths to the table, catering to different needs within the research community. If you found this deep dive informative and enlightening, consider hitting the like button, sharing it with your fellow researchers, and subscribing for more enriching content from EdBhoomi. Until our next expedition into the realms of knowledge and discovery, keep delving, keep learning, and may your research endeavors be marked by curiosity and enlightenment. See you around.